Hello, my name is Andy and I am the village idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. Today it's very cold and I'm back over the border in Doncaster. I'm currently stood on a railway bridge that crosses a railway line between Doncaster and Mexborough. If you want to know where I am, keep on watching. And as I stand outside Ferryboat Farm Fisheries, that'll do us for Denaby. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed what you've seen. Don't forget I have a Facebook group you can follow, and I have a buy me a coffee link down in there in the description. Now it's your turn. Have I missed anything in Denaby? Is there anything you'd like to add? Feel free to comment or send me a message. All comments and messages are welcomed, and I will include anything you send in part 2. But for now, Village Idiot out.